Over 15,000 experimental and light sport aircraft already fly behind Dynon products worldwide. Based on the success developing avionics for this fleet, Dynon recently partnered with EAA and FAA to gain a breakthrough STC approval for the installation of Dynon's EFIS D10A into type-certificated GA aircraft. The EFIS D10A is a full 4-inch primary flight display that includes attitude, airspeed, altitude, magnetic heading, turn rate, inclinometer, G-meter, winds, and more. Other capabilities include angle of attack and an internal backup battery. Unique to this STC, EAA, Dynon, and the FAA work together to allow the EFIS D10A to be installed without the traditional Technical Standard Order, or TSO, and Parts Manufacturer Approval, PMA, requirements. Instead, this approval utilizes the FAA's Commercial Parts Rule, which allows products that aren't designed for type-certificated aircraft to be installed under certain circumstances. This approach allows owners of eligible aircraft to install the same affordable Dynon products that have been available to experimental and LSA aircraft for years. Best of all, because additional certification costs have been kept to a minimum, pricing remains exactly the same as for the experimental market. In fact, a kit of the EFIS D10A plus minimal required accessories starts at just under $2,700. The initial STC allows the EFIS D10A to replace the existing primary attitude indicator in Cessna 150, 152, 172, and Piper PA-28 and PA-38 series aircraft with a modern EFIS that contains no moving parts. Going forward, Dynon and the EAA expect to both expand the list of approved aircraft and add additional products to the STC. For more information and to get updates on the EFIS D10A, go to www.dynon.aero/STC.
It's going to be a lot of fun, and that's what aviation is all about. Let's innovate, let's keep it safe, and let's go have fun.